This is classroomscreen.com. Right away, it doesn't look like much. It's just a background. But if you look down here at the toolbar, these are all amazing tools that you have at your fingertips for free. A few of my favorites are the random name generator. You can just type in kiddos' names and voila, you have a random name picker similar to what we have in Flippity or Class Tools. There's a sound level system for those of us who like to keep the kids' voices at a certain level for different activities. You can set what the levels are and have a little ringer for those kiddos. There's so many more things. One thing I love, though, is the drawing. Many of us have interactive boards in our classrooms, but perhaps maybe don't have the software subscription or whatnot. This goes ahead, and you can see I'm quite an artist with my mouse here, but it allows you to use your pen that comes with your interactive whiteboard right on classroomscreen.com for free. There's many more options down here. There's a built-in timer. So you not only can set the time, but you can also choose the type of music that it will play when your timer is up. And one of my very favorite features is right down here at the bottom right, there is an exit poll. So really quickly, anytime you need a quick formative assessment, it allows you to pull this up. Kids can answer really quickly and you can change your instruction. So this is classroomscreen.com. It's just amazing. It works best in Chrome. I hope you give it a shot.